Hello Gel Press friends, Marjolaine here with an easy Bible journaling page with the Faith Impressions kit. And I'll also be using the art creation gouache from Royal Talons and some masking tape. So here I am ripping pieces of masking tape and just sticking them to the Faith Impression border plate, and I'm just randomly creating a pattern. So I have a strange obsession with masking tape. It's one of my favorite mixed media, I guess. I'm sure that once I'm done using it here, I'll probably end up putting these little ripped pieces in an art journal somewhere. It just has an amazing texture and it just never gets old. And now I'm going to squeeze some gouache directly onto the plate. And I have a habit of not wanting to waste paint or just getting too much on, so I tend to not put enough sometimes the first time. So I'll have to go back and add more paint. And I'm just using the Gel Press 4-inch economy brayer to roll that paint onto the plate. And for some added texture and pattern, I'm using an art foamy stamp just to press against the paint on the plate. So my plan was to remove the masking tape, and I completely forgot, but then I really like how it looked. You can see there's the stamping texture pattern, and then you can see the spots where I had the tape, so I just kind of decided to stick with it and continue on with the same idea of keeping the masking tape on. I really like using this gouache with the gel press. It has just the perfect texture and it seems to just work every single time. And of course, I don't want to waste any of this paint or the chance to make a gorgeous impression, so I just pull out a book that I like to art journal in and stamp in there. So here I was torn between whether I liked the one with the less paint better than the one with the more paint, and I decided to go with the darker look. So this page is based on 2 Kings 13, where Elisha tells King Joash to strike the ground with the arrows, and the king struck the ground 3 times, and then Elisha got mad at him and said, you should have struck the ground 5 or 6 times, and because that's how many victories you would have had, but because you only struck it 3 times, you're only going to have 3 victories. So because of that, when I add my arrows, I'll be sure to add more than 3. In fact, I would like to add 12, but I only had, I think, about 8. So that's how many I'm going to put on my page. And that's how many victories I'm hoping to have. And so here I'm satisfied with my background, so I'm just going to add some letter stickers to put my title on and add some arrows, and I'll be done with this super simple page. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Gel Press channel so that you don't miss any videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.